1. In planning a flight, a pilot is required to determine the ground speed together with the speed and direction of the wind. The ground speed in kilometer per hour is this one. So this one is the speed. We know that velocity is speed, right? Without using calculator, find the value of V if tangent theta is equal to 7 and it is in between 0 to 180. So we know that here theta is 0 to 180, right? So it might be in the first or second quadrant. But here you see in the second quadrant, so we know that STC, right? This one is the what function is positive. So in the second quadrant, only sine is positive. And you see here the value of tangent is positive. So it cannot be in the second quadrant. So this one is in the first quadrant. So we see here tangent theta is equal to 7, right? So we know that it is in the first quadrant. So this one is theta. So we know that formula so cha toa. So we know that tangent is equal to opposite divided by adjacent, right? So opposite, this one is theta. So opposite is here. We know that 7 is actually 7 divided by 1. So this one is 7. This one is 1, right? So here, to get this one, so we know that 1 square plus 7 square is equal to, so I just give it a square, right? So this one, a is equal to 1 square plus 7 square, which is equal to 1 plus 49, which is 50. So this one is 50, right? So now we see here, it's given that tangent theta is equal to 7, and we see that we wanted sine theta. Using the formula, sine is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse of this theta. So here opposite is 7 and hypotenuse is the one that we calculated before, which is 50. So now we get our sine theta. Now we can substitute our sine theta. This one, sine theta is equal to this one. So here V is equal to 770 sine 135 divided by sine theta. So sine theta is 7 over sec 50. And we see here we have sine 135, right? So we know that this one is at the second quadrant. So second quadrant, sine is positive. This one is also equal to sine. So to find the reference angle, it is 180 minus 135. So here we get sine 45. So we know that this one is a special angle which we can calculate without using calculator. So it is 1 over sec 2. Or if you are using calculator, so this one is not supposed, right? But in case you want to use calculator, so here you will get sec 2 over 2, right? So what happened is in your calculator, it want to remove the sec. So divide by sec 2, sec 2. So here we get sec 2 divided. This one is sec 2 square, right? Where we can cancel out. So we get sec 2 over 2. That's why when you use calculator, you get this one. But then if you use, okay, never mind, I just draw it, right? So 45 degree means this one is 1, 1 and this one is sec 2, right? So when we are talking about sine, so, okay, I did it already. So, cha tua, right? So sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite is 1 and hypotenuse is sec 2. Okay, so it is positive since it is at the second quadrant, and second quadrant only sine is positive. So here we get 770 sine 35. Here we get 1 over sec 2 divided by 7 over sec 50. So here we get 550 km per hour.